What's up, guys? Coach Avalos coming back at you here at the Bull Ring. Some things happened today in the stock market, and we understand that we had a choppy day, but this is going on, and the news is not talking about it, guys. China is selling a record sum of US debt. They are getting rid of their bonds. So they actually got rid of approximately $53.5 billion worth. Everyone is talking about it except our US news guys. Look, this is from 5/17. We're talking about last week, the end of the week, okay? China starts selling ultra long bonds to raise 1 trillion yuan. So what's going on over there? If you've seen in the history of the stock market, you understand that every time they do this, guys, the market crashes, okay? Literally, the market crashes. Go look at the stocks in 2000, 2008, 2012, 2020. Beautiful part I love, guys, is that charts don't lie. Look at that. In 2000, we went under. Okay. They started selling off. 2008, that's when they began. And here you go, 2012, and so on, guys. 2017, when we had those recessions and crashes. Okay. And now here's where we are at in 2024. I'm not telling you the market's going to crash tomorrow. Okay. Can it? Absolutely. But you need to keep an eye on this, okay? They are not stopping. And just take a look at what they are doing with the gold, guys, okay? If you understand gold, they are stacking the house and they've been buying up gold. Look at this. I mean, they're not stopping. They want to be the #1 economy in the world. Currently, they're ranked 2. Some people are ranking them as 1. They are on their way, so be careful with your stocks. Okay, they're selling off. Okay, so let's take a look at SPY and what's going on with the chart, guys. So we are currently in a ascending or rising channel. Okay, great place to buy a call was here. Another great place to buy a call was here. Here, I don't know. With all the news coming down with China, guys, okay, we have a gap that can get filled right in here. So I don't know if SPY is going to stay up. Okay, they can literally fill this entire area down here and then continue on their way down if that gap is not filled. Okay, now they can come down and bounce off of there, which they've done in the past, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, this is what's going to be healthy for SPY. If SPY can come back down here, and they don't have to do it in one shot, okay, they can come down and then start rising back up and continue on this bull run. Okay, now for now, I don't know what we're going to do here. If we get a bounce, absolutely we're going to buy calls. And now we can come take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia is in the same. They are in a rising channel, guys, and they are just hitting this resistance, and they go across, they come back up, hit the resistance. Now they're back at the midline, which has been traditional here with Nvidia. So for me, this is going to be a great area to potentially get into some calls, and we can watch them potentially make it to 994 and maybe over 1,000. Remember, they got earnings this week on May 22nd. Okay, so they've got a whole lot of noise up here with resistance, but they are chopping away. Okay, and of course we had Microsoft, and now Microsoft is trying to hit their all-time highs again. They are making resistance. Okay, check this out. They come up and they're making resistance their support. They came down here, and then now they came up here to the resistance. They're bouncing off this resistance, which is now support, and they're going to go for an all-time high as well. So if you know how to trade, you're going to change this to now a support line, and now this becomes a support line, which is super bullish for Microsoft. And you know who Microsoft is going to push up? That's right, SPY. Okay, and these guys are helping the battle. Apple is doing the same. Okay, they found support here. Okay, they found a nice support after this resistance right up here, and they hit resistance. They're going across just like Nvidia. Okay, I can see Apple going to about 195, guys. Okay, if they go higher than that, winner winner chicken dinner. But guess who they're going to pull up as well? SPY. And we have Google that continues to go on their bull run. Check them out. Okay, they got past all this noise over here and they are doing the same. Guys, the market looks like it's not going to stop no matter what is going on with the banks. For now, they are headed strong straight up. Okay, and if you're a swing trader, guys, keep an eye on Netflix. Okay, Netflix beat all-time highs and no one said anything. Everybody was like, okay, we're not even looking at Netflix. Netflix is going to potentially come back down near this midline, and then they're going to pursue higher highs. Okay, all-time higher highs. So I'm keeping an eye on Netflix, guys. There will be another entry on it, and this is going to be an amazing time. Everybody is buying Netflix. Why? Because they're the leader in the streaming wars and no one can catch up to them. I mean, their financials and their content is just killing it. And now more companies are jumping in for their customers to profit. All right, last but not least, we have Meta, which is one of my favorite AI plays, guys, but it is in a downtrend. Okay, it did come up and it's got a lot of resistance on the upper part of this descending channel. And today I started watching it closer and I put me a little support line here just to show that it is going to try to make it out of this channel and go on a bull run. Now, what I think is going to happen, there was some news, guys, and if you want to be part of the news, I'm going to leave you a link down below. I have a watch list. You guys can sign up for a very cheap price. I send these alerts out every day in multiple chat rooms that I have. Okay, somebody just decided to sell off all of their Meta. Okay, and this is why Meta is doing this. We had the earnings. Okay, who knows? Maybe they started selling there, but they've been selling off. So there's a lot of resistance. So once that sell off is done, guess what? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay, keep an eye on it because this thing is going to go back to the area it came from. And now you can see a potential investment to about 531 area. Okay, we're talking about a $60 move, and we're also talking about a nice 12% gain. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but if you have a portfolio and somebody said, hey, you're up another 12%, winner winner chicken dinner. So be careful out there, guys. There's a lot of stuff going on with China. Also, there was in the news, right? President of Iran died in a helicopter crash, and we don't know how that's going to pan out, but the news can always change what's going on with the charts. Okay, till the next video, wishing you guys a green day tomorrow.